don't think we'll be ready in time.
Oh, don't worry now. It'll all come together, love.
How old is she now?
She's 10, love. You've asked me that 3 times this morning, mind?
Yes, 10. Sorry, love, it's just that...
Yeah, I know. We're both getting a bit forgetful these days, aren't we? Look, let's have a wonderful weekend. All the family together, isn't it? Come here. Oh, you're a wonderful woman, Betsan Jones.
Mom, Dad, Ma, we're here. Hi, nice bit of pie. Special one. Yeah? Yeah. Is that enough for you? Yeah. A bit more? You sure? Right, I'll have some of that for the rest. Well, I'm dying to know. What did you have for your birthday then?
I got a dog from Dad.
No.
Oh, I'd order a dog. Cockapoo is lovely, isn't it? Nice.
We'll be to go on holidays.
Hey, we'll send her here, won't we? We'll send her here.
These are the happiest times for me.
And there's
My family all around.
West Wales.
Good food. Catching up.
That's right. Teaching a bit of Welsh, haven't I? Go on. Say something Welsh.
And Spartagaethus.
Oh, da iawn.
Weird.
And you can count a little bit now, can't you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Da iawn.
Talking Welsh with a London accent, don't you?
Mamgie, you have done it yet again. Oh, it's wonderful.
Terrific one.
Really is, isn't it? Gorgeous.
There's no one, we got this farmer's market.
This is where I belong. I want to hold on to this moment forever.
Is it still alright for me to take this, Mum? Is it still alright for me to take this? Mum, ydy fe dal yn iawn I fi gymryd hwn 'da fi?
O, ti, wrth gwrs.
Sa'n gallu credu fod e dal 'da ti? Wi'n I golli fe fyd, Mum.
Ach, Kenny.
Fe mor neis a ti'n gallu dod I fyw fyny.
Wi'n iawn fan hyn.
Mam, ti'n symud I dy gartre newydd di heddi? Ethon ni'n weld ei wythnos diwetha. Ti'n cofio? Dawn ni draw mor aml y gyllen ni.
All new ngatre.
You can walk her. Bow, bow, bow. Sam, just like your mother. as annoying as you are. I've got a right gut full of your whole family. Oh, shut it! You're the only one in my life.
So, you've got a feel of the place. We're really glad you're here. We're short-staffed today. Do you have your DBS?
Yes.
Great. Thanks. Go and see Trace down the corridor. She's doing meds, but she'll fill you in on what you need to know.
Is there an induction?
We're very informal here. We'll go through everything later. You've done dom care, haven't you? So, you know what to do. Lunchtimes can be tricky. So, today, you're going to help one of our new residents. Her name's Bet. She's got dementia. She's hardly eaten anything all week, so we really need her to eat something. Her son's been on the phone every day. Says she doesn't understand English anymore, just Welsh. But we've got no one here who speaks Welsh, and if she's spoken English all her life, then, you know, we'll just really talk slowly. Okay?
Okay.
You can have your lunch after the residents have theirs. What are you waiting for? There you go. We want to keep your top clean, don't we, Bet?
Are you hungry, Bet? It looks nice.
Nage plentyn ydw i.
Come on, Bet, you've got to eat something.
Yn mangori. Yn hili. Nghartre.
Try a little bit.
Wy'n wraig. Yn fam. Yn fangi. Wi dalma.
I'm going to be taking you through the induction process all this week. Today, you're going to be shadowing Tracy. She's lovely. She's worked here for years. She's going to be your mentor.
Oh, great.
The most important thing today is for you to get a feel of the home, start to get to know the residents.
That sounds good. I mean, one of the reasons I left dom care was because I couldn't spend enough time with people.
Well, we are busy and there's lots to be done, but I encourage my staff to take the time and chat to the residents because this is their home and I want it to feel like it's their home.
That's good.
You don't speak Welsh, do you?
I did, a bit, in school.
Well, we've got this lovely new resident, Bet Jones. She doesn't like to be called Bet or Betty. Well, her son lives away and he's worried about his mum. He's been ringing every day, bless him. We're doing our best, but I think it's going to take her a while to settle.
Of course.
He told us that since her dementia's progressed, she doesn't seem to understand English so well. Finds it easier to communicate in Welsh, her childhood language. This can happen with dementia.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So, I'm trying to say a few words in Welsh, but I'm not great.
Well, my Welsh isn't very good, but I can have a go.
Thanks, Sarah. Actually, if you could sit and eat with her at lunchtime, that would be a good place to start. She hasn't been eating much. The food here is great, and I encourage all my staff to eat with the residents. It's made a big difference since we started doing this.
Great.
Take your time today and see how it goes. Shemai, Betsan. This is Sarah. She's going to be having lunch with you today.
Shemai Betsan. Blasus. Blanty and dwliau cottage pie. Sorry, dwi ddim yn siarad Cymraeg yn dda iawn. Ma' hwnna'n hyfryd. Blasus.
Blasus iawn.
Mae fy merch chi yn dwlu a stwnch.
Mae Mali yn y gwmoron. Fi'n edrych mlaen at y dyddiau pan bydd Sarah yn gweithio. Byddai wastad yn hiraethu am gytre, mae cael rhywun sy'n yn neall i wneud byd o waniaeth. Maen nhw'n gwybod sut i ofalu amdano ni fan hyn. Dwi'n gwybod bod nhw'n neud i gorau glas i wneud i bawb dimlo'n gartrefol. Mae pawb eisiau teimlo bod nhw'n perthyn.